Hello everyone, this is going to tell you query param in Node.js. Query param means it's like ID with some value like this. You may pass ID or some variable like my ID. Those are all things. So we are going to get this from Node.js. Yeah, let's start. In previous video, I have explained URL param. If you want, see that video. And also, I'm going to use Express to create a get API. So see this video also. Then only you can proceed this video. Okay? Yeah. First, I'm going to create one get API app.get. This app, it's like we already defined at this express here, so I'm getting this get method from that express. Okay, so here API name, it's like /API. I'm going to follow the existing way, get ID, or you can give anything whichever you want. Okay, so request and response, we already defined it. We are defined it here, and here it's like const ID. Here we are going to get the ID, okay, whichever we passing in the URL. This is called a query param. Okay, so here it's like request dot query dot ID. If we pass here, if we passing ID means we need to get the value from ID. Right now we are passing my ID, so I'm going to use the same thing here too. So if I console this ID something like this, okay, save this. See, our project is already running. So going to Postman, I'm just copying this and I'm going to create one new one, paste that URL, and it should be get, because here we defined get API, so we are going to trigger this API. So this one, and we need to pass my ID because we are getting the value from my ID, okay, with some value. First I'm just click the send icon. We won't get any response, but we'll get console. It's like this is what we get. See, whichever the ID we passing here, we get that ID in this terminal. It's like if I change that ID to something like this, okay, I cancel. If I click send again, we'll get that ID, of course. So this is how you can get. For now, I'm going to send. It's like if that ID is lies in this user list, I'll send that data, or otherwise I will send some error message. Okay, so I'm just copying this. Here I'm going to add, it's like const user, and here paste that user dot find, and here val dot id is equal to this ID, means this will give user detail. I'll just console this, save this. Terminal is rendered. See here. So now just click this. We'll see it's like undefined because this user is not present in this list. It has only 0, 1, 2. That's what we finding here. Val dot id. So I'm just pass value, it's like 1, and I just click on cancel, and if I click send, see the specific values printed here. It's like id 1, this value got printed here. See this. So if the value is present, we'll send a user detail as a response. Okay, so response dot send, yeah, we need to use this in one if condition. Here if the user is exist, I'll send this. It's like here the same value user here. If that user is not present, we'll send some error message, rest dot send with the message, it's like not found. Okay, and save this, and if I click send, see here we got response from backend. And if I send some other different number like this, if I click on send, we get not found message. Yep, also you can get this as a ID. Save this, not save. And here if you are passing ID means, you need to change this to ID, and save this. and if you click send, see, not found. If I click 2, see, we got second user Dinesh. This one, this ID we got. This is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.